Very bad judge, now federally indicted. He's coming out of California. And here's what he looks like. Now, this is an article saying that he was charged at the state level, too, for assault of the bad kind. And some of this happened in an elevator. I've got the indictments. And he was previously honored during a bunch of things, Hispanic Chamber during the Hispanic Heritage Month and all the things. Now, he got charged locally, but Harmeet Dillon also came down and says, boom, this guy also got indicted. And I think this came out of the Civil Rights Division and initially was started by her. Okay, she initiated it, but obviously this is a criminal case. So the Justice Department announced that a federal grand jury in Fresno, 5-count indictment against Adolfo Corona, federal offenses for the bad assault of a court employee, his own staff, made false statements to cover up the assault, and with obstruction and obstructed the investigation into allegations that he assaulted another court employee, victim number 2, in his chambers. And the indictment is gnarly. So let's take a look at it. Here is what we've got. The case is now filed in the Eastern District of California. It's been assigned over to Kirk Sheriff. And we've got an indictment. This guy's got lawyers who are coming in here. One guy, W. Scott Quinlan, Michael J. Ide, and entering, looking at protective orders and a bunch of other things. But this is what the indictment looks like. And so let's take a look at what this very bad judge allegedly did. You see, come in the Eastern District of California, and Harmeet's on this. I thought she normally did civil stuff, but she is obviously protecting the civil rights of the victims. So here, deprivation of rights, false statements, 3 counts, attempts to alter documents, bodily injury, and a bad act. All right, says the defendant, Judge Corona, was a California Superior Court judge, Fresno County, all the way until April 2024, back to 2003. This judge probably put many assaulters, okay, who probably did some bad things. Some of them probably did, and some of them maybe not, in prison for a long time, like sentenced them, prison, 50 years. Guy was doing this for decades. So in or about March, Corona was 64 years old, and victim 1 was a 32-year-old woman who was his judicial assistant, or as a judicial assistant for the court.